Bada bing, bada boom. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, the boy got himself a charge pipe. Evolution Raceworks. You know, on these cars, the 535, any type of BMW, the charge pipe is made out of plastic. It goes. But not only am I helping the cause from that, I also want to hear the turbo spool more. So we're gonna install this and let's get into it. All right, so we barely got past the first step. I loosened this and we have to take off this sensor right here, but this little guy, this clip, was giving us issues. But Ryan came in clutch and we got it off. So now we're gonna work on the rest and I'll pick up later. All right, y'all, so far what we've done, we've taken off this sensor right here in the back. We took off the intake and we also unhooked this sensor and this vacuum hose right here. So right now we're working on this clamp that we have to take out, this C-ring or something like that. I think that's what it's called. And we took, and then we loosened out this screw right here. So, and then once we get this off, everything is gonna come off, the whole charge pipe, and then we can get into installing this one, this aluminum one. Evolution Raceworks, that way. Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right, so as you guys can see, we got the old charge pipe out, this plastic piece of shit. Right now we're taking out this sensor to put in the new charge pipe, and we have to reuse this and also reuse the O-ring that's inside. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. Once it's done, we're gonna pop it on and then we get to the turbo. It's hot today. Anyway, we got the sensor out. You guys can see the difference in the charge pipe. Plastic, aluminum. All right, so right now we're gonna take this sensor and just install it into the new charge pipe, like so. Just gonna push this down. And the Evolution Raceworks kit did come with 2 new screws that you're gonna use for the sensor. All right, so we're gonna install this and then plug it in. Look at this garbage. This is trash. Come on, BMW, making everything plastic. Look at this nice machinery right here. Come on. But anyway, we're gonna be installing this guy right here. This, I think it's called a coupler, something like that. This is gonna go onto this guy right here, this hose, which is gonna connect to the charge pipe. And yeah, so we're gonna install this right now. Sorry. Excuse the airplane. This looks like oil that's in this.
So yeah, it's like grease.
You know, all these BMWs, they leak oil. I wouldn't be surprised if this is oil that's in this. But anyway, from this old charge pipe, there's this clamp. There's this little hose that you want to take out. It's called an O-ring. You want to be very careful with it. And just remove it and put into the new charge pipe. So, you take this. My hands are so dirty. Yeah, I can't really do much. Alright, so now we're gonna install this into the new charge pipe.
Oh my god, the difference in quality.
I'm telling you, man, this is gonna sound so sick. Alright. I don't know which one it goes in. There's like, I think it's just one. So take this, plug them in, just like so. Go all the way around. Make sure he's snug, and boom. So now we're gonna install this into the car. All right, so right now the charge pipe is installed. Just tightening down these hose clamps right here, 1 and 2. We already have the vacuum line in, the sensor, charge pipe is fully installed. Just tightening these bitches. I don't know how tight I'm supposed to get it, but that one's good. To the top. That should be good. If anything, I come back and I adjust it. So Shout out to Keys Motorsports, Brian. We're watching his video step by step. Yeah, so we're pretty much almost done. Afterwards, we're just gonna install back the intake, and then it's ready to rip. Let's go. So, last thing to do, charge pipe is installed. We're just gonna install our air intake. This is a K&N. Pretty dirty right now, but that's all right. We're gonna install this back onto the car, and she's gonna get her first start with her new charge pipe. So, this, pretty simple. Just slide that in right there. Or no, let me put this side in first. Alright. We're gonna push this guy in. There is 3 rubber grommets that we need to push into the car. Push that down. Push this back in. There you go. That's all in. Now we got to push down on the rubber grommets if I could find them. Is that over? This side is in. This side right here. These are the grommets. Hard to see. This side. Can't tell if that's in, but that's all in. So now what we're gonna do, tighten everything down, start her up. Recording?
Oh, now it is.
All right, so everything is installed. We got our intake, charge pipe installed. It's ready for its first start.
Oh.
You ready?
Yeah. You hear it.
Can you really?
You definitely hear it.
Hold on, I don't want to make too much noise. Your mom is working. Let's go on a ride.
All right, you ready?
Let's go on a ride.
Oh my god, the turbo sounds so good. Yo, the turbo sounds so
really
good. The turbo sounds so good. Oh yeah, you definitely hear it. You definitely hear it.
Pops kind of sound different too a little bit.
Oh, I didn't.
A little louder.
I guess because there's more airflow.
Yeah, let's see. They sound different.
Yeah, they definitely do.
Different.
X5 up.
Yeah, dude, they're much
The
louder.
turbo. Oh, where's my phone? I got it. Oh, here it is. Okay.
These pops are much louder.
The bobs are 10 times louder. Oh my god. And I feel like the car feels faster.
It does.
Is it really?
Definitely does.
The car.
Ready?
Stock Supra. OEM. The Supra. Laughing?